Hi everyone, welcome back to Coffee with AI, your go to channel for exploring the coolest AI tools and productivity hacks. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your own actionable figure for free using just a simple prompt and a ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to chatgpt.com. Make sure you are logged in to your GPT account. If you do not have one, it's easy to sign up. Just sign up with your Google account. Now, once you are in, just paste the special prompt I have written for you. This prompt is designed to help ChatGPT to generate a cool, personalized, actionable figure. Do not worry, I'll share the full prompt in the video description below so you can copy and paste it directly. If you want to upload your logo or any image, you can do that too. I have uploaded my channel logo to make the figure more customized and branded, but you can add whatever you like. Now hit the enter and let ChatGPT do its magic. Let's wait for a moment while it's processing everything. And boom, look at that. A cool, professional looking, actionable figure is ready. How awesome is that? You can even tweak the prompt to change the figure style, pose, outfit or theme according to your brand or personality. Just adjust the prompt a bit and you can create unlimited variations. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial on making your own actionable figure using AI. If this video helped you out, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Coffee with AI and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new trick. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay creative. Catch you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.